usual cold start. What's up, guys? It's your Bolo Tech back at it again with another vlog. I hope you guys are having a great day today. I'm about to go to the Teklo warehouse, aka the lab, aka Infocus warehouse, whatever you guys want to call it. Never mind. Hi, George! Oh, you bastard! Yeah. What the fuck did you throw? What did you throw? What did you throw? Let's go. Oh, this driver looks scary. Oh no, this is gonna hurt. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Oh, Jesus Christ, I went off the curb. Oops. Thank God for the monster truck tires. Looking like grave digger over here. That's nice. Alright, well, I met up with George. He was at Starbucks. And now we're gonna go to the warehouse. That was a fail. I missed fourth. Oh, I threw it in neutral. I didn't throw it in fourth. I let go of the clutch too soon. Replay. And we are finally here at the warehouse. Hi, George. Give me my sandwich. This one?
Yeah.
Thanks, George. No. You are? Need that. Fat burner. Can't drink this on an empty stomach. So George got me a sandwich from Starbucks. And we are here at the warehouse.
240. 240?
That's 240. Is that what I think it is, George? Oh, George. The hat's beautiful. And we only brought back maroon and black, not this one. Sorry, guys. Only these.
For limited time only, too. So,
yeah.
After these go out.
My car sounds familiar. Look at that.
Hi.
Hi, babe.
How are you?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, chill.
Park right here. It's zoomed in on the shift boot. What the f is that, George? I'm about to get sniped. Must be nice to get a shift boot for your 240. Hi. Hi, Mom. This lineup, though.
240 looks like it's gonna break down before the race even starts.
But it ends up winning.
Oh,
My boy Nato here just bought a shift boot from In Focus.
this is how easy it is to install. I'm done.
Wow, that was easy. Holy ball tires.
Those are drag racing tires, bro.
And dumb. You made them into drag racing tires.
They will always be drag racing tires.
Oh my god. And that drift life.
Welded diff, right?
Welded diff. Oh yeah, I forgot your shit's welded. Bye, George.
Bye, George.
See you later if I see you later.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, bye, George. Oh look, it's Daniel.
They're pretty comfortable.
Dude, casting couch in here. By the time you guys are watching this video, those posters are gonna be up on the site, so make sure you guys cop techlo.com. Yeah, that's it. That's the money. Here you go, papi. Papi carte. Alright, man.
Thanks for coming down.
Okay, alright, let's see. I'm not right-hand drive. Where the f am I going? I don't know where I'm going. I'm not right-hand drive. Alright, we out of here. Goodbye. We just finished up a little meeting talking about what we're restocking on for you guys. As you guys saw, we got our static snaps back. By the time you guys are watching this video, they're now live, so go cop while supplies last. So right now I'm gonna go have a photo shoot with him, because if you guys may notice, we're always shooting at night, never in the daytime. So we're gonna take advantage of this daylight, and we're gonna go get some nice photos for you guys. Yeah, when you run into a supporter on the freeway, sick. Woo! It pops though. Sick. One, two. well, at least you guys know I'm human. Ooh, well, that was fun. Good runs. So we're here at our next location where we're gonna be shooting at. Look at that, beautiful. I know these shots are gonna be fire. That's a good angle. All right, I'm gonna wipe down my car and prepare for this photo shoot.
Hi, Mom.
No. Let me just do this for the fucking fast.
Well, I f***ed up this guy's time lapse. I f***ed it up because there's this car coming and he needs to get the fuck out of the way. Or I need to get out of the way. No, I think he'll fit. Oh yeah, he fit. Can you tell everybody what you're doing?
I am detailing my car because we're gonna have a photo shoot.
Are we?
With the famous Creative Stamps.
He's famous?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
In my heart.
Oh my god, I love you.
Yeah, so I gotta make sure it looks nice and pretty and clean.
A little extra shiny for me.
Yep.
Yep. I picked up a new CPL filter for my lens and oh my god, it works wonders.
Everybody wants to know what you're shooting on. Let them know.
Oh, well.
Or is it a secret?
It's not a secret because it's just a camera. To be honest with you, doesn't really matter what kind of camera you shoot with. It's mainly the lens, to be honest. I have a Canon 6D. Is it all zoomed in?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That's okay.
Anyways, so yeah, I shoot with the Canon 6D. My main lens is a 50 1.4. From time to time I use a 70 to 200 2.8 L lens. It's more for sports, but it does the job. It's pretty killer. But to be honest with you guys, you don't really need an expensive camera body to shoot good pictures. You just need to invest your money into better lenses with better glass. And what I mean by that is like better materials that the lens is made. You know what? You get the fuck I'm saying.
Yeah, because I used to have a Canon T5. It's a really like cheap camera. It was like a $300 camera.
Yeah.
And I just bought a, what is it? A 50mm lens.
Hell yeah.
And it shot really crispy.
Hell yeah.
So it's on the lens.
Yep. So that's what a lot of people trip out on. They think, oh, I have to go buy a Canon 5D Mark III, you know, the god of all fucking cameras, or I need to go drop like $3,000 on a Sony A7 or some shit. But it's not always the case. And just my 2 cents.
And it's all in the editing too.
Oh yeah.
Photoshop. I like to use Lightroom.
I use Lightroom too. Not to lie. One thing I won't give away though is my editing secrets.
Or you can use IG filters.
Oh my god. We're cutting that out. Cut that out.
Still doing a photo shoot. Got Nate right there taking a photo of this just for the gram. There we go.
Like that. Put the camera up more. There you go.
I can't see this under my face.
Yes.
You already took it? Ooh.
Profile picture?
Yep. Look who decided to show up, Mr. Joseph JJ Loop. Oh, that's what he used to be called, or he used to call himself. JJ Loop, twin turbo, HR. Must be nice. That's cool. Photo shoot turned into a video shoot. Dope. So now I have another video coming out soon, so be ready for that. And we got Ivy Films dropping the video finally on Wednesday, so I'm excited to drop that as well. So 2 videos coming up and some photos, really dope photos. I'm really happy how they came out. I'm excited to show you guys. All right, so Joseph's gonna go back here, get some rolling footage of my car. You really just put that in your exhaust? It shot out. But anyways, he's gonna be back here. We put 2 what are these called? Vice grips. We put vice grips on his strut so it can hold up. Kind of sketch, but it's gonna work. I do it all the time. That's how I hold my hatch up. And then we got the Formula Drift driver. Hi, Mom. Ooh, SR. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry guys, I put this back on. Should have recorded that, but you guys see me switch that out so many times, so I didn't want to record that. I'll just follow you guys. We just go up and back and forth. Sketch. All right, got our rolling footage. You're a dick. Why you backfire on him? I don't know. I heard that shit. It was really loud. Man, it was loud. You scared him.
Recording? Oh. So, Lil Tech doesn't know yet, but I'm pregnant. And it's not his. There he is.
What are you doing?
Hi.
Hi. Are you vlogging?
No.
Are you a vlogger now?
Yeah.
Nice. Hi, I'm Low Tech.
Hi, I'm Tech Low.
You're Tech Low? I'm Low Tech. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. A lot of interesting things happened today. I raced the RSX. Got some photo shoots in, video shoot. Overall, good day. Day's not even over, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. I got enough footage for today. We were supposed to wrap George's roof today, but we didn't. So I guess we're gonna save that for another vlog. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And guys, remember why you started.